Hi, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to download ZBrush 2018. So in this course, I'm going to use ZBrush 2018, which is the latest version of ZBrush. Let's see how to download the trial version. So again, come back to Pixologic here and go to Store menu here. Click on this Try ZBrush option. And here just choose this Try ZBrush 2018 option. And here you need to log in. If you don't have any account here, so register. So either way you have to click here. Okay, so now as you can see, I have already my login details, so I can just continue and log in with this. So now you can see I have logged into this. Then here you need to just put your name, last name, and your email ID, and your country. Choose your country and choose this language here. So I'm choosing English here and choose any school name or something like that. And let's select student here. So your industry or area of interest, choose student, and beginner is perfect. How do you hear about this trial? So let's say website, and then click on this Try ZBrush. I'm not going to do this because I have already done this. When you click on this Try ZBrush, it's going to send you a link for download to your Gmail ID, whatever Gmail ID you put here. So then just after clicking on it, go to your Gmail ID and you will get something like this: no reply, Pixologic, ZBrush 2018 trial, and click on it and you will see this information here. So you can click on this download ZBrush 2018 for download, and just use the serial number to activate your ZBrush copy. And this trial is for 45 days. And the system requirements of ZBrush is, you can check here. Let's go to get help and ZBrush system specs. I have also attached this documentation in this class and in this resource folder in the class. You can go to the left side of this class video and go to resource, and you will find the specs here. You can see 8 GB is recommended RAM. Minimum system requirements is 4 GB, and just check all those things. This should be you should have this side, the left side here. In the next lecture, we are going to jump into ZBrush and we are going to see the interface. So see you there.